Are you looking for the best 60-gallon air compressors? In this video we will look at some of best 60-gallon air compressors. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. PowerMate Air Compressor. Up next is the Maxxer C5160V1 MAP, known for its exceptional performance and reliability. With a sturdy 5 HP motor and a maximum pressure of 170 psi, it's built to handle tough tasks. Its airflow rate of 18.5 CFM at 100 psi ensures it can power various tools efficiently. Despite its power, it operates quietly compared to similar compressors. Its durable construction ensures long-term use, making it suitable for both professionals and avid DIYers. With its array of features, this compressor stands out for those needing a reliable option for demanding tasks. Voltage, 230 volts, AC. Recommended uses for product, drilling, airbrushing, spraying, nailing. Power source, electric powered. Special feature, heavy duty. Capacity, 60 gallons. Airflow capacity, 18.5 cubic feet per minute. Motor horsepower, 3.7 HP. Maximum pressure, 155 psi. Number 4. Industrial Air Compressor. Another great option is the ILA 3606056 air compressor from Industrial Air. This compressor is designed to withstand tough environments, thanks to its durable construction. It features a twin-cylinder cast iron pump, ensuring both reliability and performance. With a maximum pressure of 155 psi, it's suitable for demanding tasks. While it delivers a strong airflow of 11.5 CFM at 90 psi, it's worth noting that it's not the most energy-efficient option and operates at a noise level of 68 dB. However, for heavy-duty applications, such as workshops or job sites, it remains a solid choice for professionals seeking a reliable workhorse. Maximum pressure, 175 psi. SCFM at 100 psi, 15.3. SCFM at 175 psi, 13.5. Pump RPM, 767. Voltage, 230 volt. Phase, single. Running HP, 5.0. Number 3. California Air Tools Compressor. The quiet operation of the California Air Tools at just 75 dB is impressive. Its high-efficiency, oil-free pump reduces maintenance demands. With a dual-motor design providing a combined power of 4.0 HP, it delivers strong performance while minimizing wear and ensuring longer durability. The compressor's 60-gallon capacity and 10.60 CFM at 90 psi enable sustained tool operation, catering to both professional and personal needs. It's an ideal choice for environments prioritizing noise reduction and low maintenance, offering a seamless blend of functionality and ease of use. Noise level, 75 dB. Motor power, 2 powerful 2.0 HP motors. Tank, steel ASME air tank. Airflow, 10.60 CFM at 90 psi, 12.60 CFM at 40 psi. Power source, electric. Special feature, oil-free. Number 2. Ingersoll Rand Compressor. The sturdy construction with robust performance of the Ingersoll Rand SS5 60-gallon compressor makes it perfect for tough jobs. It's built for continuous duty, with a single-stage pump that works reliably up to 135 psi. Though powerful, its noise level at 78 dB might not suit all settings. However, its durability, offering over 5,000 hours of trouble-free use, makes it a wise investment for pros and dedicated DIYers needing reliable high-pressure air delivery. Power, 5 HP. Phase, single phase. Duty cycle, 100% continuous duty. Maximum pressure, 135 psi. Airflow rate, 18.1 CFM at 90 psi. Noise level, 78 dB. Tank type, vertical ASME receiver tank. Safety, manual thermal overload protection. Number 1. Campbell Hausfeld Compressor. The Campbell Hausfeld XC602100 is notable for its powerful oil-lubricated, two-stage pump, perfect for tough tasks. It features a 230-volt, 3.7 horsepower motor, ensuring strong performance for pros and DIYers alike. Its 60-gallon vertical tank saves space in the workshop and offers plenty of air for longer tool use. While sturdy, some users have reported occasional leaks and noise, suggesting room for better quality control. Voltage, 230 volts. Horsepower, 3.7 HP. Maximum pressure, 175 psi. Airflow capacity, 7.6 SCFM at 90 psi, 6.9 SCFM at 175 psi. Product dimensions, 33LX29WX77H. Item weight, 255 pounds. Recommended uses, sanding, grinding. Noise level, 65 dB.